Hello, my name is Edwin Maura, presenting commerce. As you can see, I have already created 4 models, including bids, comments, listings, user profiles, and watch lists. As an admin, you can edit, delete, and add information to each user, related to each user. For example, when it comes to users or user profiles, you can delete a user, clicking there, and then you delete that user. You can mark many. Even in comments, if there are comments, for example this one, you can delete all these comments. Logging out from the admin interface and logging in as a user. Logging in as this user, I can create a page where I will present a title of that page, of that listing. I provide a bid, a description in this case, or a description, but you can also provide a URL, which is optional, but in this case I present one. And then the description, I'll get this one there. I copy paste the description, and then the location of this listing, or the user, and then the category of this listing is entertainment. When upon clicking create listing, I'll be taken to the active listing page where I'll get this message: electric guitar has been listed successfully. On the active listings page, if I click this tab, I'll see all the active listings uploaded to this page. If I visit any of these, I can click on the image of this link, and if I click on any of the listing, and if I'm logged in, as you can see, I can bid. First of all, I can add an item or a listing to a watch list by clicking that button. If it's already on the watch list, I can remove it, and I will receive this message. Also, I can bid on an item. For example, this one, if I bid 100, which is below the starting bid, I'll get an error. For example, the bid must be at least as large as the starting price or bid. That means I must bid 115 or above. If I bid again for the product, but this time I bid 115, I get an error because the bid must be greater than the current highest bid, which is 115. So in this case, you can bid 116, and the bid will be posted successfully, as you can see. If I am the one who uploaded a listing, for example, this one is uploaded by Aggie, as you can see, I have the opportunity to close that listing by clicking that button and clicking OK, and then that bidding will no longer be active and will be on this tab with the status closed. If someone signs in on this closed listing and their bid won this bid, they will be notified. For example, if I log in using another user, logging in and then visiting that page, in this case this one, I receive this message: you have been won this auction. As a user, I can also add comments to a listing. For example, here I can comment and then post my comment. I can visit the watch list page where I will see all the items that I have added on my watch list. And if I click on any of these listings, I'll be taken to the page where I see all the details of that listing. I can also click on categories where I see a list of all categories, and clicking on any of them, I'll see all the products related to that category. And that was my project, Commerce. Thank you.